Many congratulations to DGCX for achieving the Contract of the Year award by FOW for the Indian Rupee contract. It's really an achievement for an exchange which has been around only for the last 6 years. The way we all have witnessed the Indian Rupee contract grow in the last 3 years, especially this year, has been phenomenal, and a lot of factors can actually be attributed to this increased volume. One of the main factors, I believe, is an extremely fine liquidity, and that is actually one of the reasons why it is attracting a lot of investors from across the globe to come and participate and trade in this contract. And I believe the second factor, obviously, because of the increased trading time from 7 a.m. to 11:30 p.m. has been another factor which has actually contributed to this growth. And what we have also witnessed is an increased interest from a lot of financial institutions from across the globe, especially the hedge funds and the financial institutions, the exporters, importers, who actually are coming and trading mainly for their hedging requirements, or the arbitrage opportunities, or as pure speculators. So much so that what we are also witnessing of late is that because of this increased participation, it has kind of attracted a lot of retail participation, and which is very, very good and healthy trend for the market to sustain. And from here on, I can clearly see that the product is here to stay, and I, on behalf of Phillip Futures DMCC, would like to wish all the very best to the exchange, and I'm sure we will all go wise from here. Thank you so much.
On behalf of Al-Pari DMCC, we'd very much like to congratulate the Dubai Gold and Commodity Exchange for the recognition through the FOW Award for Contract of the Year on the Indian Rupee. There's a number of reasons for that final recognition, aside from the record growth that we've been seeing year on year. Primarily down to the DGCX being very interactive and supporting its investors and supporting its brokers to make this product far more attractive. These include earlier opening hours, inverse rate denomination of the contract towards the dollar, and the opening it up through new technologies on a wider global, on a more attractive platform to the global audiences as well.
First of all, I would like to congratulate DGCX for getting the Contract of the Year for the Indian Rupee contract on the exchange by the FOW. I seriously believe that this contract can clock more volumes in the coming months as the interest starts building up. We have been actively getting a lot of client interest after the exchange changed their timings and their contract specifications. We believe that this contract will have a lot of interest as this contract is used for hedging and the currency risk, which has turned really volatile over the last few months. I really believe that in the coming months, on the coming years, exchange will have equivalent growth not only in the near month but also in the far months, which will be used by not only by speculators and hedgers but also a lot of traders and long-term investors.
Contract of the Year award being given by FOW to DGCX for their $INR contract is a new feather in DGCX hat. It is a very successful story because of the visionary step taken by DGCX back in 2007, around 4 to 5 years back, when nobody could even think that this contract could become so big that it will start trading across the globe. The exchange had been very actively promoting this contract, have done a lot of runaround, and what I see today is one of the most successful contracts in this industry. $INR is a contract wherein people can hedge their risk. People are doing their speculative trades, people are doing arbitrage. There's a lot of volume coming in. It has been highly demanded by various sectors such as retail, such as exporters, institutions, the institutions which are hedging into arbitrage. So it is getting participation from all the sectors. Indeed, there had been a step recently taken by DGCX by increasing the time by opening exchange early in the morning. and giving people a way to hedge their risk early in the morning when no one else is providing this facility. This can explain the kind of effort being put by exchange to get this contract to the level where it is, and I'm sure they keep on doing the same, and we receive more and more participation. Thanks.
Let me at the outset congratulate DGCX for winning the Contract of the Year award from FOW for the INR contract. The INR contract introduced by the DGCX has been a game changer for them, and we have been seeing increasing business and volumes coming in from the time this contract has been introduced. The interest predominantly comes from expats from the region to whom we cater, especially from the retail side, and we are seeing an increasing demand for for participating in these contracts. The interest has been particularly growing because of the volatility that the rupee has seen over the last few months, and because of that, the interest is not only coming from the region, but also we are now seeing fund managers and hedge funds and other interested people who are investing into India are also seeking the contracts. We are actually dealing with a couple of them right now, and there is more interest coming from overseas investors as well. I think with this location and the timings that the markets is offering, the DGCX is offering today, I think it will be a great place for us to work on the rupee contract, and we only expect the volumes to grow and double in the time to come.